Alright guys, so I'm doing a review on this Veggie Mexican veggie ground round. It's basically a vegan soy protein, I believe. Let me check. Pretty sure it is. There it is. Here's the ingredients. You guys want to? Yeah, there we go. Texture soy protein. So that's the ingredients in there. It is fortified with some vitamins. So I'm gonna actually cook this in my rice cooker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it in my rice cooker, and then I'm going to put it with the rice, with the vegetables to go in there, and it should cook all together with it. That way the aroma of the rice will have all the flavor from this as well. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright, there's the veggie ground round. I'm going to cook it with the rice cooker so it'll all cook together, and I'll do a quick taste test when it's all done. Stay tuned guys. Here's the rice all done with the veggie Mexican ground round. There it is. Let's do a quick taste test. It's quite good. You can taste the aroma from the ground round. It's all very seasoned. The rice has its flavor. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. And subscribe to the channel.